Ram Narayan Ram. We are all part of this infinite universe, a universal family born from the cosmos. Countless planets, stars, living beings, plants, animals, atoms, and molecules coexist here. All these elements are alive, conscious, and creative. The universe excludes no one. The universe itself is the cosmic essence of Ram Narayan Ram. Countless planets and stars are born from this essence. Wherever living beings exist, they are inherently connected to Ram Narayan Ram. The universe is a representation of the completeness, unity, and perfection of Ram Narayan Ram. Ram Narayan Ram is complete in itself. Ram represents the infinite cosmos, the entire universe, and the supreme creator. Narayan represents all the stars and planets in this universe. The second Ram represents all living beings, humans, animals, plants, dust particles, and all conscious life forms. Our consciousness, or awareness, is a part of Ram Narayan Ram. As an innate birthright, the essence of material born from the universe is a natural right for all of us. Our primary goal is to restore everyone's natural rights, self-respect, and equality. This is our revolution, a movement for the self-preservation of all members of the family of humanity. All benefits are complete benefits. Our mission and struggle are to guide everyone on the path toward this completeness and self-realization. This struggle is meant to fill the void in human existence. We desire a classless, caste-free, and exploitation-free society. We aim for a non-violent struggle rooted in self-defense and inner wisdom. The human body as a machine. Our bodies function as a complex machine, a coordinated unit where all parts are interconnected, forming a living system. This system is active, creative, and filled with bonds of love, affection, and attachment, creating a unified family. Each part works as part of a team without the degradation of any part. Every living being, plant, and insect is filled with life and consciousness. Within this body-like machine, there are billions of people, souls, particles of consciousness, and divine fragments. The issue in the modern world and the universe. In today's world and across the universe, countless souls are deprived of the basic necessities of life. As a result, people commit injustices, crimes, and other wrongful deeds. This suffering arises from their own deep hunger, both physical and spiritual. Just like a hungry person can scream and wander in confusion, the countless fragments of consciousness within us influence our actions. We find ourselves in a state of directionlessness. To find our way out of this, we must engage in chanting, meditation, spiritual practices, and measures that reconnect us with our inner consciousness. Only then will peace, equality, and balance return to the world, nature, and the body. Ram Narayan Ram weaves the truths and principles of nature into a singular thread as it guides us forward. It is the responsibility of all of us to take control of this divine chariot with the strength of our minds and move it toward peace and prosperity. When we do this, blessings, prosperity, and supreme peace will reign upon us all. The essence of Ram Narayan Ram. Countless beings have come into existence from the essence of Ram Narayan Ram. The skies are filled with countless planets, stars, and constellations alive with consciousness, activity, and creation. These beings experience thirst, hunger, pain, and death, but they do not possess the same freedom as humans. Humans can make choices, commit mistakes, and engage in actions without any predetermined course. The thoughts within our bodies are infinite, and our consciousness intervenes, guiding us, showing us the right path, and alerting us to our mistakes. However, at times, we listen and at times, we fail to listen, resulting in actions and consequences that lead to regret. Our decisions originate from our thoughts and intentions. These decisions manifest as actions, sometimes leading to regret. Therefore, the messages of many religions imposed by humans in societies can be false and divisive. True spirituality lies in the actions guided by our own inner conscience. If we do not wish for our hands to move, they remain still, desires do not arise, and no creation takes place. Our consciousness acts as the guiding force from within, leading us on the right path. This consciousness is none other than Ram Narayan Ram, and the universe itself a truth that is difficult for us to fully comprehend. A unified vision for humanity. We should aim for the vision of a world where the entire universe is one nation, governed by a single policy, a common language, and a collective family spirit. There should be no conflict of interests or personal ownership. In this vision, all individuals are workers, and labor itself is the true path of dharma. Humans are born with religion as a natural part of their existence. Our body, mind, and soul are composed of the same universal principles as nature and the cosmos. Life is about adding goodness, reducing suffering, multiplying kindness, and sharing it with all. The religions, constitutions, political parties, and educational systems created by humans are often driven by selfish motives and have led to division, fear, and inequality. Personal ownership has caused suffering in human societies. These false divisions are driven by greed, ancient superstitions, and self-interest. Nature holds no concept of personal ownership, nor does the sky or mountains. Yet, humanity has invented such ownership, driven by greed. The environment has been impacted by these unbalanced and exploitative attitudes, but many remain blind to this truth. The true path lies in uniting humanity through the chanting of Ram Narayan Ram. This name inspires peace, equality, self-awareness, self-confidence, self-love, and the pursuit of nature's true path. By focusing on these ideals, we can promote internal peace and guide ourselves toward a balanced, harmonious, and enlightened path.